Hello student, today we are going to see the next topic, that is metamerism. Uh, Basically, metamerism means what? We should know the metamerism. This metamerism is also known as the metameric segmentations, and the actual definition of this metamerism is the condition of having or the stage of evolutionary development characterized by a body made up of metamers. The basic principle of arthropod design is metamerisms, and the construction of the body from an extended series of repeated segments is known as the metamerisms. These metamerisms, we can see the example of metamerisms, the annelida, that is annelidans animals, and the species of animal is the Nereis. Earthworm is a good example of metamerisms. In the zoology, it is also called as the metamerism or metameric segmentation, and this condition of being constructed of a linear series of repeating parts, each being a metamer, that is body, segment or somite, and each being formed in sequence in the embryo from anterior to posterior. You can say this example of metamerism is that it is one of the repetition of homologous body segments, and this type of development can be seen in the annelids, which include earthworms, leeches, tube worms, and their relatives. The earthworm is an example of an annelid showing true metamerisms. So, the metamerism is an architectural body plan in such animals in which the similar body segments and oral systems are serially repeated one after another. The similar body segments are called metamers or somites. म्हणजे तुम्ही मेटामेरिनची स्टडी करता त्यावेळेस एक नंतर एक असं त्याच्यामध्ये सेगमेंट तयार झालेले असते. जसं आपण अर्थवॉर्म बघितलं किंवा नेरीज बघितलं तर याच्यामध्ये एक प्रकारचे सेगमेंटेड बॉडी आपल्याला तयार झालेले दिसते. मेटामेरिझम्स is the condition which the general segmentation of bilateral animals. It is also bilateral and radial animals which will be involved in the longitudinal divisions of the body into linear series of similar sections. The metamerism is also known as the metameric segmentations, and each section is called metamer or somite or segment, and each of these segments has repeats of some of or all units of organs, and this term metamerism is used only when the organs of mesodermal origin are so arranged. And in the we are studying the ancient and Greek words of this metamerism is meta means after and mer means part. So there it is one of the one by one parts. They are occurred repeatedly in their somites or their segments. The primary segmental divisions are body wall, musculatures and coelom. This in turn imposes a corresponding metamerism on the associated with the systems, and the longitudinal structures like gut, the main blood vessels and nerves extend through entire length of the body, while the structure like gonads are repeated in all or only few segments. The metamerism in animal segment or animal kingdom include the metamerism encountered for the first time in annelids. Apart from this, it is also found in phylum Arthropoda and vertebrata. One group of mollusca, that is Monoplacophora, also exhibits metamerisms. Tapeworms show pseudometamerism or strobilizations, which is not true metamer segmentations. Types of metamerisms. Generally, there are many types of the metamerisms of these metamerism animals. You can see these metamerisms there are mainly 6 type of the segmentation of the body develops by the segmentations. That is the mesoderm. First one is the homonymous metamerism, heteromonous metamerism, external, internal, external and internal, complete and incomplete metamerism. So this type of the metamerisms, they are completely bifurcated in their animals. So the complete and incomplete metamerisms, it is one of the practically affects all the body parts, that is complete metamerisms or their body systems. Like body system means you can say the digestive system, excretory, nervous and reproductive system. And in this type of metameres are homonymous, and each metamere has segmental blood vessels, nerves, coelomoducts and nephridia. Thus this condition is also called the homonymous metamerisms. म्हणजे ज्या ॲनिमल्समध्ये ज्या सेगमेंट्समध्ये नर्व्ज असतात, ब्लड वेसल्स असतात किंवा सिलोमोडोक्ट्स असतात किंवा नेफ्रिडिया असतात. आता जनरली नेफ्रिडिया जर बघितलं तर नेफ्रिडिया हे जवळपास अर्थवर्मच्या 8व्या याला सेगमेंटला प्रेझेंट असते नेफ्रिडिया. ओके. आणि तुम्ही याची स्टडी डीपली करायला गेले तर खूप डीप स्टडी आहे ती. कॉइल्ड ट्युब्युलर डक्ट लाईक ऑर्गन्स आहे नेफ्रिडिया. इट इज ऑल्सो दे आर यूज्ड द फिल्टर अँड रिमूव्ह द वेस्ट फ्रॉम द अर्थवॉर्म ऑफ द बॉडी. And this nephridia is also typically named and locations throughout the segments of the body. म्हणजे प्रत्येक बॉडीच्या शरीरामध्ये नेफ्रिडिया तिथं प्रेझेंट असतात. सो नाउ you know this, what is the nephridia basically. In many invertebrates animals this nephridia they are present, and it is one of the tubular or tubule open to the exterior which act as an organs of excretion or osmoregulations, and it typically has ciliated or flagellated cells and absorb the walls. So these nephridia, they are one of the tubular structures and they are helpful for the excretion and the osmoregulatory system of their animals. You can say this these are the annelid and arthropod line, chordate, cystode, and the characteristic features of the metamerisms is it is always confined to the intermediate segments except the anterior acron and posterior pygidium or telson. Each metamer represents a mirror image of the other, and segmental structures are interdependent on each other. They are integrated into single functional unit. All the segments of body work in the coordination. So the first type of the metamerism is, it is divided the true metamerisms. So this, what is the true metamerism? Basically, this true metamerism means it is one of the one which segmentation and develop the body by the segmentation of the mesoderm, and it occurs in annelids, arthropods, and in most chordates. This means after the embryonic stage, all the segments become the same age. So you can see this, observe the Pheretima, that is known as the earthworm. This known as the Pheretima. This is the Prostotium. You can see these animals, the prostomium, mouth, clitellum, genital papilla, female and male genital pore, sitta, dorsal pore, and anus. They are found in this type of the animals. Homonomous metamerisms. What is homonomous metamerisms? These homonomous metamerisms, actually this homonomous metamerisms, it is also the segments or somites of the animals, and this segmentation is also called as the homonomous metamerism, and it is seen in annelids. Each metamere contains the segmental blood vessels, nerves, the nephridia, and the coelomoducts, and it is well defined and well organized head is lacking in the annelids. So you can see this example of the peristomium. This peristomium, then third one is the heteronomous metamerism. The heteronomous metamerism it is one of the example of arthropods and chordates. जसं chordate किंवा arthropod ॲनिमल्समध्ये, आर्थ्रोपोडा म्हणजे काय, तर एखादा पॅलिओमन आहे किंवा प्रॉन्स आहे, क्रॅब आहे, हे जे ॲनिमल्स आहे यालासुद्धा सेगमेंट असते ॲबडॅमनला, त्याला आपण हेटेरोनोमस मेटॅमेरिझम्स म्हणतात. And the body are dissimilar in different body regions and restricted only to certain organs. This type of metamerism is called the heteronomous metamerisms. Then for internal metamerisms, in the invertebrate there is internal metamerisms seen in the embryos and confined to the muscular, skeletal and nervous system, that is vertebra and rib. In the external and internal metamerisms is found in the annelids, clearly visible both externally and internally. Externally it is marked by the construction on the skin of the body, and internally it is marked by the partitions. Example is septa. Advertisements, complete metamerisms, when the segmentation is seen practically in all systems. The metamerism is called complete metamerism. It is seen in annelids. Incomplete metamerisms is when the segmentation is not seen in all the organs. The metamerism is called incomplete metamerisms. It is seen in arthropods and chordates. Pseudometamerism or strobilizations. In contrast to true metamerisms, pseudometamerism or strobilization is seen in tapeworms, that is Platyhelminthes, where the segmentation of the body takes place by the segmentation of the ectoderm, and the body consists of a number of segments or proglottids which varies in different individuals of the same species. So the significance of the metamerism is it helps in locomotion, it helps in locomotion not only in burrowing but in all the other animals or types of locomotion. Means this animal not burrow म्हणजे जमिनीमध्ये न जाणारा ॲनिमल्स आहे, एकदम सरफेस लेवललाच ते जमिनीमध्ये राहते, सॉईलच्या खाली. अँड द मेटामेरिझम ऑफर्स डिव्हिजन्स ऑफ देअर लेबर. सो द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ द मेटामेरिझम इज दॅट it is provided effective locomotor mechanisms as the coordinated contraction along body generates efficient body undulating movement and filled coelomic conditions. Okay.